Want to backup and restore WhatsApp data on Android? Here's how you can do it. WhatsApp automatically backs up messages, photos, and videos on the connected Google Drive account over a Wi-Fi network every day. It also allows users to back up data manually for restoring later. Just go to the Settings, Chat, and then Chat Backup. Here, WhatsApp shows you the date and time of the last backup done, followed by a backup button. Make sure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network with an active internet connection and click on Backup. Wait for a few moments to complete the backup process, and you're done. Altphone Android Recovery Tool allows you to restore backups when you cannot follow the usual method for reasons like WhatsApp crashing on opening, a broken phone screen, and many more. The software is convenient for recovering deleted WhatsApp messages and photos without taking a backup. Moreover, it enables you to recover your data without rooting your device. Just download the software and start recovering. Thanks for watching! For more Android and iOS tips, subscribe to the Altphone channel or go to the altphone.com website.